Today we study effect of shape of the earth on acceleration due to gravity. Today we study effect of shape of the earth on acceleration due to gravity. Earth is not perfect square. Earth is not perfect sphere. Earth is not perfect sphere. It has ellipsoid shape. It has ellipsoid shape. It is flattened at pole and bulging at equator. It is bulging at equator and flattened at the pole. This is the equator. So along equator, its diameter is more in comparison to diameter along poles. Okay. So CD, diameter along poles CD is less than diameter along equatorial lines, equatorial plane AB. Radius along equatorial plane, is 21 km more than radius along poles. Radius along poles. So let radius along equatorial line is RE. Radius along equatorial line is RE. This is radius along equatorial line. This is radius along polar lines. Polar line, ठीक है? Polar diameter. So equatorial radius is 21 km more than polar radius. ठीक है? We know that acceleration due to gravity is given by the equation G upon R square. G upon R square. G is equal to G upon R square. So thus acceleration due to gravity depends on the radius of the earth. Radius of earth at different points are different. Radius of earth at different points are different. Maximum along pole, maximum along equatorial line, and least along polar lines. ठीक है? So acceleration due to gravity is minimum at this equatorial line. At the equatorial plane, acceleration due to gravity is minimum at equatorial plane and maximum at poles. Maximum at poles. ठीक है? तो G is minimum. G is minimum at equatorial plane. At equatorial plane due to largest diameter along equatorial plane. At equatorial plane. And it is maximum at poles. G is maximum at pole RP square. At poles. Because radius is least along polar lines. Polar axis. Radius is least along polar axis. At pole. So thus, at another point, when we move from equatorial plane to the poles, then radius reduces. So acceleration due to gravity increases. On going from equatorial plane to the poles of the earth. When we move from OB to OC, then radius reduces. So acceleration due to gravity according to this formula increases. Acceleration due to gravity according to this formula increases and become maximum at the pole. ठीक है? So thus acceleration due to gravity at different points of the earth surface are different due to different radius of the earth at different points. Due to its ellipsoid shape of the earth, radius at different points are different. So G are different at different points at the earth surface. It is least at equatorial plane and maximum at the हेलो हाँ नमस्ते हाँ ब्लेजर दे दीजिए, जो गार्जियन ब्लेजर ले ब्लेजर दे दीजिए। तो it is maximum at the pose and least at the equatorial plane. When we move from equatorial plane to the pose, then acceleration due to gravity decreases. So when we move from equatorial plane to the pose, then acceleration due to gravity increases due to decrease in radius. Okay. This radius is least at pose, so acceleration due to gravity is maximum at pole and least at the equatorial plane. Okay. At other points, due to different radius, g are different. So thus value of g is different at the different point of the earth surface. Okay. So variation in g is 65% due to rotation upward. 65% due to rotation upward. So due to earth rotation, value of g changes by 65%. Okay. At 35% variation in g is due to shape of the earth. Earth is not a perfect square. It has ellipsoid shape. Its radius at different points are different. Okay. Maximum radius along equatorial plane and least radius along polar axis. So g is minimum at equatorial plane and maximum at the poles. So variation in g due to shape of the earth is 35% and due to rotation of earth is 65%. Okay. Value of g at sea level is fixed. Value of g at sea level at latitude 45. Is 9.8 meters second minus 2. 9.80 meters second minus 2. Okay. Sea level is fixed, so this value is fixed. Earth is at some place at height from the sea level, at some place below the sea level. So value of g at different point at the earth surface are different. At different point at the earth surface is different. Level of the earth at different points are different. At some place, level of earth is at some height from sea level, and at some place it is below the sea level. So value of g vary on going above the earth surface and on going below the earth surface. So value of g are different at different point. Value of g are different at different point. It is fixed at sea level at latitude 45, equal to 9.8 meters second minus 2. So this value is known as standard value of acceleration due to gravity. This value is known as standard value of acceleration due to gravity. Okay. This is standard value of acceleration due to gravity. On going above the earth surface, value of g decreases. On going below the earth surface, value of g decreases. And due to rotation of earth, value of g changes, and due to shape of the earth, value of g changes. Okay. So due to rotation, variation is 65%, or due to shape, variation is 35%. write down.